Hello everyone, welcome to another ChiButtons video. Today I want to show you guys how to make a double-sided keychain, Versa-back keychain, as well as a fridge magnet button using the B400 kit and the 25mm handling cutter. First, before we start making the buttons, let's cut out a design. So we already have the cutout. I want to make a small cut here, and finding the little slit in between the two faces of the handling cutter, I want to insert my design. I want to make sure that all the white space is out of the image and cut it out just like that. Take that piece over there. Now with this design and some others that are already pre-cut, let's make the double-sided keychain. First, I want to place the metal shell with the edge facing down into the A mold. Take our design, place that right on top. And then to protect our design, I want to put a singular sheet of Mylar right on top, making sure that it's flush, rotate around, and press. Now, I want to take a smooth back of the double-sided keychain with the edge now facing towards you into the B mold, rotate it around, and press down. So, that is one face of the double-sided keychain. With the second face already made, let's assemble the double-sided keychain. We're going to use the black one today. I'm just going to peel off the sticker on one side, take our design, line it up with the smooth back facing towards the keychain, and just press down. Same thing with the other side. I'm going to peel back the sticker and take a design, place it right in there. And there's the double-sided keychain. Now let's move on towards the Versa-back keychain. This one is a single-sided keychain that starts very much like the double-sided with the metal shell, edge facing down, image just like so, with the sheet of Mylar, and press down. Now the key thing here is we're going to use a different back. This one has a keyhole slot over here, and same thing, we're going to take the edge facing towards us into the B mold, rotate it around, press, and now we have the button piece with the keyhole back that we're going to use to insert or put onto the Versa-back. Now first find the knob, put it into the larger circle, and just gently push it in, and then you should be good. In the end, this is how it turns out. Wonderful. Now let's move on to the fridge magnet. Same principle as before, metal shell into the A mold, design, and Mylar sheet. Rotate it around. Now, with this one, we're going to take a smooth back, but with a little bit of an impression on the inside to fit our fridge magnet, edge side facing up. And this is how it should look. Now we're going to take our fridge magnet, peel off the sticker, revealing the sticky back, and place it just like so. And with that, that's our fridge magnet, double-sided keychain, and our Versa-back keychain. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and comment down below.